So, this is my Nissan Murano 2018. It has 3,861 kilometers on it. When I went to start it one day, it wouldn't start, and it said key not detected. So I've been messing around with it, calling mechanics and stuff like that, and I just figured it out right now what the problem was. So what you need to do is you go into your little menu here and you go to settings, you press OK, you go to down here to man, I wish I knew how to do this better. I'm not very good at this. So you go to this thing called key linked settings, and once you see that, you go to something. It says system on it says system and current key, and it says number 1. But what may have happened is, because of the battery dying, this was turned off, or maybe somebody turned it off by accident or something. But all I would hear when I tried to start the car was tick, 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 tick. So what I'd do is I would wait till the battery died and then charge up the battery, and then I was able to get it started, because I guess the computer resets itself or whatever. So, but anyways, I went through the menu here and I found the settings. I go to settings, and then I go down to key linked settings, and then it says system, and it says current number key is number 1. This has to be on in order for this to allow this car to start. So now